Do you work or study?
Well, I am a student. I am doing my master in history.
Uh, which was your favorite subject when you were in your school?
Well, when I was studying in 12th standard, math was my favorite subject because like most of students afraid from that subject, but I was really interested in numbers, so that's why math was my favorite subject.
Okay. Do you prefer to study in the morning or in the evening?
Well, it depends on my mood, but if I choose one of them, I would say morning is the best for me because at that time my mind is fresh and I can easily concentrate for a long time.
Okay. Let's talk about your hometown. Where do you come from?
I am from small village Khedinaga, and this village is famous in district Sangrur for the beauty. We can see a lot of trees
Hmm.
which are grown by the people.
How long have you been living there?
Well, I have been living there since my birth.
Hmm. Would you say it is an interesting place and how?
Well, without a shadow of doubt, it's a very interesting place. Although there are some demerits, like there is a no transportation system like buses or a train. But I would say this is the best place for those people who want to see the green belt.
Is there anything you dislike about it?
As I mentioned earlier, there is a no good transportation system. Apart from it, there is a no pond where people can throw their rubbish or a water.
Okay. Let's talk about patience. Were you a patient person when you were young?
Well, to be totally upfront, when I was a child, I did not have a habit of patience. My parents always says to me that when I was near about 14-year old, I did not wait for a long time if they promised to me for getting any kind of present.
Do you have a pair of sunglasses?
And to be honest, I don't have a pair of sunglasses because I wear uh, key and
Spectacles.
spectacles.
Have you ever lost them?
Well, I vividly remember a time like a month ago. I went to my relative house. During that journey, I lost my glasses.
Let's talk about maps. Do you use map?
Well, yes and no. Let me explain why I say yes. Because I am a travelaholic person, so when I go to any new place, then mostly I use electronic map.
Hmm.
But on the other hand, I am familiar with some places,
Hmm.
so therefore I don't need to use a map.
Do you prefer electronic map or paper map?
Well, as we know, due to the advancement of technology,
Hmm.
mostly people prefer to use electronic map because it is a convenient way to use,
Hmm.
and also if someone don't have a like a skill to write, they can speak and find out any kind of places from there.
Okay. Uh, your cue card is describe an item you bought something from the street market. When it was, where the market was, and what you bought, and how you felt about it. You have 1 minute. Okay, start.
Well, to be honest, I'm not extravagant person, so mostly I buy those things which are necessary for my study or for my other daily routines. Here I'm going to talk about a street market from where I bought a book. Actually, on a last weekend, I was just killing the time. So my mother said to me that we want to go to market for purchasing some kind of grocery item. So immediately I went to supermarket with my mother. In addition to it, I first time visit this market because this is a new market which is established in near city Tadava. So I was super excited because that was my first time when I bought some grocery with my mother. So if I talk about what I bought from there, so I would say that is a book. Actually, we cannot call this book. We cannot call it a book. It's a novel. It's a all story about Oliver Twist. To be honest, I got to know about this book from my one of my bosom friend because he always read these kind of books. And although I am an avid reader, so I have a bunch of books at my house. So immediately I visited a shop and the shopkeeper said to me that he would provide a 30% discount if I bought any kind of book. So moreover, I immediately bought this book and he gave an article free of cost with that book. So when it comes to my feeling, I would say I felt over the moon because that was my first time when I bought something alone without having any help. So after reading this book, I would say I shared this book with my kith and kins, and they also said to me that that is a great book, and every person like to read these kind of books because these kind of books inspired us, and what should we do in future and what should we not do, and
Okay, you may stop now. What kind of markets are available in your country?
well, India is a famous for its India is famous for diversity, and where we can see a lot of street market which sell different kind of things like clothes, fruits, vegetables. What we want, we can purchase in a street market.
Do you think the habits of the people about shopping has changed in recent years?
Uh, well, I definitely agree with this point. If I talk about a decade ago, mostly people bought some things from the street market or the malls. But nowadays, because of advancement of technology, people buy most of things online. Like there are a lot of apps are available like Amazon, Flipkart, where mostly people buy and get empty discount on these things.
What is the difference between shopping in the market or shopping in the mall?
Well, I think there is a negligible difference when we shop in a market or when we shop in a big mall. So, if I talk about the markets, people mostly buy goods from a market because they provide at affordable price. On the other hand, if I talk about the malls, people can easily buy any kind of things on under the one roof, like clothes to any kind of cars. Everything is available in the mall.
The speaking is